One of my favorite manufacturers of locksmith tools is Peterson, and their picks are fantastic. And this is the broken key removal set. It's absolutely fantastic. It's got almost everything in. This is the base of my core bits and pieces, removing broken keys. And I'll just show you some of the pieces in here. The quality is unbelievable. You may see something similar. They're made offshore. They're Chinese made. There's no comparison. Every little way you can think of to remove broken keys out of car ignitions, car doors, regular deadbolts, key and knobs, desk locks, everything. The quality is phenomenal, what they've got here. And they've got every little thing you can think of to remove broken keys. Everything. So Peterson, this kit is not cheap. It's fantastic though. I highly recommend it to anybody. Just go to their website. I don't get any kickback on this. I love their tools. I got their pick sets. It's some of my favorite picks, and this is my favorite broken key removal set. And it's just part of my bigger kit. I'll show a video on this with my complete set, and we'll have some videos on the membership site on how to remove broken keys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.